This is my OOP database project. I've used a MySQL database and Apache Tomcat to build a website. When designing it, I've tried to use a model view controller architecture when designing the site. So the JSP pages here, as you can see, will send GET requests to the controller servlet, which in turn uses the dbutil object to get info from the MySQL database model, which then sends back the information to the user in the form of another JSP view, so like MVC. Here's an example of it working. So we click stations, we can search stations, so Finn lists all the stations or divisions with the word Finn in it. We can look at all the Dublin stations, type in .dmr. Here's a list of all the Dublin stations. And you can search things even like Bally and it will search for it. You can browse by division if you wanted to know a specific division. So here's the Kerry division, for example. Not much going on. Worst of, so you can check the worst of all the stations in the country. So the worst for murders and assaults is Pierce Street, followed by Store Street. Fraud is also Pierce Street. Public order is also Pierce Street. Organised crime is the Bridewell in Dublin. That's it pretty much. Thanks for watching my video. Here's a look at some of the code we were talking about. So here's just the basic index page. As you can see, it sends a GET request to the servlet. Here's the servlet over here. It gets the resources from the resource file. Initially how it starts, it only does a GET request, so here's the different GET requests we do. Here's how they do it, passes it to the dbutil and whatever method there, then returns it to the JSP pages, as I was saying. Here's the dbutil that actually talks to the database. As you can see, tries, accepts, finallys, SQL statements, prepared statements. Here's the station object that we use to store the data. And here's just another JSP page that lists the stations.